Ano ba nararamdaman mo? Para sa akin, sa atin.
I wasn't sure at first, but nung nakasama ka kita dito, I don't know, I felt more. I'm trying not to anymore kasi nga, I see you're much happy. That's why I'm being more distant to you now kasi I want you to, hindi mo na ako maisip. Of course, I'm not 100% happy, pero I'm happy for you. So I didn't have to ask you na kasi you made me